everybody, happy summer. Today we are talking about one of my favorite fruits on earth. Obviously, this is a watermelon, but not so obvious is how you pick the perfect one. So let me give you a few of my favorite tips to finding one. First things first, you wanna make sure you've got one that's got nice, smooth skin. Some scrapes like this are totally fine, but you wanna avoid any really deep gashes. Second, you wanna look for the kiss. I call it a kiss, some call it a field mark. That's this light spot on it. You wanna make sure that this is a yellow golden color, not a white color. This is where the watermelon sits on the soil, and if it's golden, that means it's nice and ripe. If it's white, it means they picked it before it was ripe. Next thing you want to do is give it a little slap. Give it a little slap, and if that skin feels nice and tight and it's a little bit hollow inside, that means it's nice and ripe. You also want to find one that's nice and heavy, much heavier than it looks like it's going to be. Those are my tips and tricks. I hope you enjoy the summer and you enjoy all the watermelon.